What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build again. And today we're going to get back to work on this 1969 Cat 250X. Hopefully today we'll be able to get a rear end all fabricated in and possibly make this thing roll a little bit. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm looking at it here. I got the frame all level, kind of mocking up things. And I'm not liking this ride height. So here's what I'm thinking. Instead of being all tall and unnecessary, let's get rid of this and bring in this. So I'm thinking this is a lot better. With only a few inches, let's see, about 4 inches of ride height. That should be plenty. And hopefully the sprocket alignment here will allow us to get a nice straight line with our clutch to make all that work. Or else we'll have to get creative with our engine. So let's start there. Let's run to the store, get some metal. We can start fabricating all this up and hopefully get this rear end mounted. Catch you in a little bit. Next step, drill holes. So my word of advice, start small, work your way up. It'll save you drill bits in the long run. You go for it full throttle, you're gonna eat that bit quick. So let's go through, drill these holes out, work our way up. now that we got those pillow bearing plates made, let's go ahead and figure out where this thing's gonna live at. I'm gonna take a piece of string here and try to find about where I want this thing and mark it. So let's start with one side here, put a dot, and that will be the bottom. We're gonna go from the furthest point there we will mark her about right there. So now, let's go through, try to get this thing mocked up and even and level, and then we can get her mounted up. It's the next morning. We're gonna go ahead now, give this thing a test fit into these, see how she sits. If we're happy with it, we can go ahead, weld these puppies in, and see where we get. Let's get started. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really liking how this thing's coming out. So on the next episode, we're gonna go through and clean up this frame a little bit. Hopefully we'll get these forks cut off and see how low she can go. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!